Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Sinocare. It's my pleasure to meet all of you in Shenzhen at the 86th CMEF, China Medical Equipment Fair in 2022. 2022 is the year of Sinocare's 20th birthday. For Sinocare, it's a year of milestones. On the important occasion of the 20th anniversary, Sinocare is looking forward to the future journey of becoming the leading diabetes digital management expert in the world. A good vision worth bearing in mind and acting out. At this year's CMEF, under the theme of Love and Technology Make Diabetes Management Simpler, Sinocare will showcase its products and services with love, warmth, and creative technology. I'll lead you on a cloud exhibition tour and find out the highlights and surprises at Sinocare's booth this year. Let's go! Looking into Sinocare's booth at this year's CMEF, you will see that Sinocare has never stopped moving forward on the road of innovation. On the right side of our booth, it is the Diabetes Risk Assessment and Health Service Zone, where you can experience the Sinocare Non-invasive Diabetes Risk Analyzer H-Scan, which is the one and only FDA-approved non-invasive AGES test in the world. By just 6 seconds of eye scanning, it will predict the risk of getting diabetes in the next 5 to 7 years and screen out those having a medium to high risk of diabetes in a non-invasive manner. Moreover, Sinocare's professional healthcare team of specialists from 6 fields, including physicians, health managers, medical dietitians, and so on, will provide exclusive health services and health-centered one-package diabetes management of early detection, early intervention, and early treatment. In the center of our stand, we have set up a special display area for self-monitoring of chronic diseases around the 4 highs, namely high blood glucose, high uric acid, high blood pressure, and high blood lipid. Here, you will witness how our safe, effective, and affordable household health management tools can help the patients with the 4 chronic diseases to better manage their health and improve their quality of life. In addition, the Sinocare Minute Clinic for OTC pharmacies can fully support the management of chronic diseases for primary care. Here comes our integrated internal and external hospital diabetes management area. By building a diabetes management platform, we can dovetail the information of diabetic patients inside and outside hospitals to realize whole course management, improve and enhance serviceability of medical workers, and offer continuous healthcare and relevant education for diabetic patients. This solution consists of smart blood glucose meters, the mobile application 诺云堂, diabetes management system, and multi-indicator testing system. Let's move to the IPOCT standardized laboratory. You can check out a variety of point-of-care testing products that can rapidly test almost 100 indicators, ranging from eye care to 100 portable automatic multifunction analyzer to HbA1c, blood coagulation, electrolytes, inflammation, rheumatism, cardiac marker analyzers, and so on, and experience how we provide a standardized laboratory solution featuring a relatively lower threshold, higher adaptability, and easier testing for primary medical institutions through SIoT, more comprehensive integration, and more intelligent system assistance. Rooted in China and going global, Sinocare has always kept pace with the trend of globalization. Currently, Sinocare has expanded our business to more than 135 countries and regions globally, and launched a chain of chronic disease multi-indicator point-of-care testing products in many places all over the world, such as blood glucose meters, blood pressure monitors, and eye care portable automatic multifunction analyzer. Our newly launched HbA1c series of blood glucose monitoring system and SVUG, our sophisticated multifunctional blood glucose and uric acid meter, will make a surprising showcase at CMEF. What's more, the sideline range of products for diabetes and other chronic diseases will also be put on display. If you come to our booth in person, you will discover more surprises. Looking forward to your visit at CMEF.